The First Book of Psalms, chapter 141, verses 1 to 10. The First Book of Psalms, chapter 142, verses 1 to 7. The First Book of Psalms, chapter 143, verses 1 to 12. The First Book of Psalms, chapter 144, verses 1 to 15. And the First Book of Psalms, chapter 145, verses 1 to 21. A Psalm by David. One Lord, I have called on you. Come to me quickly. Listen to my voice when I call to you, to let my prayer be set before you like incense, the lifting up of my hands like the evening sacrifice. 3. Set a watch, Lord, before my mouth. Keep the door of my lips, for don't incline my heart to any evil thing, to practice deeds of wickedness with men who work iniquity. Don't let me eat of their delicacies. 5. Let the righteous strike me. It is kindness. Let him reprove me. It is like oil on the head. Don't let my head refuse it. Yet my prayer is always against evil deeds. 6. Their judges are thrown down by the sides of the rock. They will hear my words, for they are well spoken. 7. As when one plows and breaks up the earth, our bones are scattered at the mouth of Sheol. 8. For my eyes are on you, Lord, the Lord. I take refuge in you. Don't leave my soul destitute. 9. Keep me from the snare which they have laid for me, from the traps of the workers of iniquity. 10. Let the wicked fall together into their own nets while I pass by. The First Book of Psalms, chapter 142, verses 1 to 7. A contemplation by David when he was in the cave, a prayer. 1. I cry with my voice to the Lord. With my voice I ask the Lord for mercy. 2. I pour out my complaint before him. I tell him my troubles. 3. When my spirit was overwhelmed within me, you knew my route. On the path in which I walk, they have hidden a snare for me. For look on my right and see. For there is no one who is concerned for me. Refuge has fled from me. No one cares for my soul. 5. I cried to you, Lord. I said, you are my refuge, my portion in the land of the living. 6. Listen to my cry, for I am in desperate need. Deliver me from my persecutors, for they are too strong for me. 7. Bring my soul out of prison, that I may give thanks to your name. The righteous will surround me, for you will be good to me. The First Book of Psalms, chapter 143, verses 1 to 12. A Psalm by David. 1. Hear my prayer, Lord. Listen to my petitions. In your faithfulness and righteousness, relieve me. 2. Don't enter into judgment with your servant, for in your sight no man living is righteous. 3. For the enemy pursues my soul. He has struck my life down to the ground. He has made me live in dark places as those who have been long dead. For therefore my spirit is overwhelmed within me. My heart within me is desolate. 5. I remember the days of old. I meditate on all your doings. I contemplate the work of your hands. 6. I spread out my hands to you. My soul thirsts for you like a parched land. Selah. 7. Hurry to answer me, Lord. My spirit fails. Don't hide your face from me, so that I don't become like those who go down into the pit. 8. Cause me to hear your loving kindness in the morning, for I trust in you. Cause me to know the way in which I should walk, for I lift up my soul to you. 9. Deliver me, Lord, from my enemies. I flee to you to hide me. 10. Teach me to do your will, for you are my God. Your spirit is good. Lead me in the land of uprightness. 11. Revive me, Lord, for your name's sake. In your righteousness, bring my soul out of trouble. 12. In your loving kindness, cut off my enemies and destroy all those who afflict my soul, for I am your servant. The First Book of Psalms, chapter 144, verses 1 to 15. By David. 1. Blessed be the Lord, my rock, who trains my hands to war and my fingers to battle to my loving kindness, my fortress, my high tower, my deliverer, my shield, and he in whom I take refuge, who subdues my people under me. 3. Lord, what is man that you care for him, or the son of man that you think of him? For man is like a breath, his days are like a shadow that passes away. 5. Part your heavens, Lord, and come down. Touch the mountains, and they will smoke. 6. Throw out lightning and scatter them. Send out your arrows and rout them. 7. Stretch out your hand from above. Rescue me and deliver me out of great waters, out of the hands of foreigners. 8. Whose mouths speak deceit, whose right hand is a right hand of falsehood. 9. I will sing a new song to you, God, on a 10-stringed lyre. I will sing praises to you. 10. You are he who gives salvation to kings, who rescues David, his servant, from the deadly sword. 11. Rescue me and deliver me out of the hands of foreigners, whose mouths speak deceit, whose right hand is a right hand of falsehood. 12. Then our sons will be like well-nurtured plants, our daughters like pillars carved to adorn a palace. 13. Our barns are full, filled with all kinds of provision. Our sheep produce thousands, and 10,000s in our fields. 14. Our oxen will pull 15. Happy are the people who are in such a situation. Happy are the people whose God is the Lord. The first book of Psalms, chapter 145, verses 1 to 21, a praise psalm by David. 1. I will exalt you, my God, the King. I will praise your name forever and ever. To every day I will praise you. I will extol your name forever and ever. 3. Great is the Lord, and greatly to be praised. His greatness is unsearchable. For one generation will commend your works to another, and will declare your mighty acts. 5. I will meditate on the glorious majesty of your honor, on your wondrous works. 6. Men will speak of the might of your awesome acts. I will declare your greatness. 7. They will utter the memory of your great goodness, and will sing of your righteousness. 8. The Lord is gracious, merciful, slow to anger, and of great loving kindness. 9. The Lord is good to all. His tender mercies are over all his works. 10. All your works will give thanks to you, Lord. Your saints will extol you. 11. They will speak of the glory of your kingdom and talk about your power. 12. To make known to the sons of men his mighty acts, the glory of the majesty of his kingdom. 13. Your kingdom is an everlasting kingdom. Your dominion endures throughout all generations. The Lord is faithful in all his words and loving in all his deeds. 14. The Lord upholds all who fall and raises up all those who are bowed down. 15. The eyes of all wait for you. You give them their food in due season. 16. You open your hand and satisfy the desire of every living thing. 17. The Lord is righteous in all his ways and gracious in all his works. 18. The Lord is near to all those who call on him, to all who call on him in truth. 19. He will fulfill the desire of those who fear him. He also will hear their cry and will save them. 20. The Lord preserves all those who love him, but he will destroy all the wicked. 21. My mouth will speak the praise of the Lord. Let all flesh bless his holy name forever and ever. The first book of Psalms, chapter 141, verses 1 to 10. The first book of Psalms, chapter 142, verses 1 to 7. The first book of Psalms, chapter 143, verses 1 to 12. The first book of Psalms, chapter 144, verses 1 to 15. And the first book of Psalms, chapter 145, verses 1 to 21. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up-and-coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams, and